Hello, this is Dimitri from Bearable Traders. This is my first day live as well as my first recap, and I hope I get it on this one. This is take 4. So I thought I'd show one of the good trades that I made this morning, or this late morning. Kind of brought me up to my profit target for the day. So MYGN, this stock hit the I think turbo breakdown scanner. Like in the early morning. So I was looking at it for a potential reversal in the late morning. So I was looking at it on the 15-minute, didn't really show any signs of a reversal. On the 1 or the 2, no signs. So I looked at the daily, I saw that it was creeping up on this 200 MA over here. Right here, this this 200 MA. So I thought I'd watch it closely as it got near there. And it got there about, that's a little above 38. So it got there like right around 11. And I was watching it. No indication for a reversal, so I just kind of let it go. It dropped below the 200 MA. So I kind of went to look at some other stocks, but then I came back to it just to see what it was up to, and I saw that it I looked at it first on the 5-minute, and I saw that it had. I saw this little area here, and so, kept going lower here, but I saw that here, made a new low for the day, and the next candle, kind of failed to make a new low. That's what I was looking at, and it also looked like a little inverted hammer there. And then the next candle I saw, failed to make a new low as well. Volume came in. I'm looking at the 15-minute, and there's a 15-minute. A kind of a bullish candle forming, maybe. So I look at the 1-minute, and I see that it, boom, popped up over these moving averages. So that's you could see that as a starts at a potential flag here, maybe a flag here. So I look at it, I didn't jump in quite yet because it could easily just, fall back down. So next candle failed to make a new low and kind of stayed above these moving averages here. So next candle looked good to me. So I decided to go long here with 100 shares with a stop loss of like right past the midway point of this candle, as well as on the underside of these moving averages. So my stop was 37.98, like a nice dollar figure, a couple of cents below it. So I was watching it. Failed to break this moving average, so I was pretty confident that it was going to reverse. So went long with 100 more shares, and then I just watched it, kept my same stop loss. It was just riding these moving averages, and then popped above. My first profit target was around 39. That's a solid number. Ultimately, I wanted to get to VWAP, but I'll take my profits midway, and 39 would have made it a 3-to-1. Risk reward, so my risk is my risk would be like right here. My reward was like right here, so that looks like a almost a 3-to-1 risk reward. So I was pretty confident in this trade. It went in my favor. It was small. 1 in 200 shares. So I made sold half at around. I was a little trigger happy and wanted to take my profits a little. Took my profits a little early, so sold half at 38.82. Kept the rest. Sold half close to VWAP, 39.21. I saw this little candle forming on the 1-minute. Wasn't really sure which direction it was go, so I sold another half. And at this point, I only had 25 shares left, and I saw this. I thought it was gonna start breaking. Couldn't get past the VWAP, so I was out. And it was overall $150 on the trade. Brought me up to 95 for the day, and $5 within my profit target. I was good with that. I walked away, and then spent the next few hours trying to make a recap. So that is my first day. It was definitely different. Much more different versus the sim. I mean, when it's real money on the line, it was definitely a lot more nerve-wracking. I had FOMO this morning. I was over trading just a little bit. Stop losses were way too tight. Like I kept getting stopped out. But overall, I'm happy about the first day being a green day, and I live to trade another day. Thank you.